media, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will be doing unboxing of iPhone 17 Pro Max Cosmic Orange for Jamie. So ayan, papakita nyo. We just got this delivered today. So ngayon, unbox natin, papakita ko sa inyo what's inside of this iPhone 17. Ito na!
Nag-record ba yun sa akin?
I don't know. So here it is. It's starting right now. Sorry, I didn't have any sound kanina. So ayan, it's starting. Ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la. Here you go. You can see it. So, ang tagal pa niya mag-restart kasi bago lang. Ayan o. Wow, bagong phone. Taray, hello. Hello, universe. Diba? So, ayan. So, we're gonna start the transferring of all the data for now. Pinapakita ko lang sa inyo. Ayan o. So beautiful. Look at this iPhone 17 Pro Max. Tapos may kasama siyang USB cord, of course. Tapos ano pa ba kasama nito? I think that's it. That's all comes with, diba? Wala na. Wala na, ito lang kasama niya. Tsaka ito. What is this one? Yun lang ang kasama. Yan lang. Pakita lang sa inyo, guys. So, ayan. We're gonna set it up. Papakita sa inyo later kung anong itsura niya. Setting up the new iPhone. Yan na. So, ayun guys. We're done setting up the new iPhone 17 Pro Max of Jamie's. Look at this. Oh, may message pa, di ba, sa akin? Sino yun? Anyways, so yun you guys. Ipinakita ko lang sa inyo kung anong nasa loob ng unboxing natin for today. So, I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Please don't forget to always like, share, and comment down below if you have any suggestions that you want me to do. So, I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye-bye!